Hello and welcome back to Cycle Fab. I'm Larry. This is going to be a really short video. Actually, I wasn't even planning on making it, not over these tires. It's just that I was really impressed by them, so I just had to share it with you guys. I've already made 2 videos over the MaxAuto tires. The first one, I bought a set for the back and the front. Well, the back tires, I don't think they'll wear out in my lifetime, really. The big, huge knobbies on them, as you can see here. The front tires, they're a little bit different. I mean, they are aggressive. I mean, really, just take a look at these things. They're a snow tire for a snowblower. And I got the bright idea to put them on my lawn tractor. And the reason why is how I use my lawn tractor. I use my tractor every day. And a lot of the terrain that I drive on is like 2-inch, 2.5-inch aggregate. And that's really, really hard on lawnmower tires. Because the tires that come on garden tractors or lawn tractors, they're called turf tires. And they really don't grip that well. Well, I don't use my tractor to mow my lawn with. I use it to pull trailers and work out on my place. And I use it literally every day. Typically to go down and get the mail and whatever else. Anytime I have to move around on this property, which is about 4 acres, and I'm lazy and I don't want to walk. Now, like I said, the first video was me buying these tires and the reason why and all the research that I did over them. And I was very satisfied with them. And at 1 year, I did a review over them. And, of course, got a good thumbs up, plenty of tread still left on the tire. I didn't know exactly how much further they would go. So I just let them go. I just kept running them until they finally started going flat. Well, this month is the 2-year anniversary, and they finally went out on me. These are tubeless tires. So, I could put a tube in it and save it. I'm not going to do that. I mean, you can see right here, the tread is worn off. So they're not doing what I need them to do anymore, which is really get a good grip. So like I said, I wasn't going to do a video over this, but I've got such a good response from you guys watching these videos over these tires and so many comments about, wow, how well they work. I just want to let you guys know that 2 years is the max, at least it was for me. But people don't typically use their lawn tractors like I do and, just use it as a little work mule. And since I have about a mile of gravel driveway, and it really tears them up. So if you're just using yours around your place and you got soft dirt and you don't run over sharp aggregate rocks like I do, these things will last a lot longer than 2 years. So anyway, I just want to get with you guys and say, hey, these are good. Really, they've proven themselves to me. Now, remember, these are the MaxAuto tires. I'll put a link down below if you want to pick some up. I'm in the Amazon affiliate program. That doesn't mean it costs you anymore. I make a little bit off of it, and that supports my channel. Now, the size of these they only come in one size. They don't make a variety of these. They're 15 by 5 by 6. And that's a little narrow. I run a Husqvarna tractor. These are also in the Husqvarna playlist. There's other videos over these and, well, just over Husqvarna's tractors. If you want to check that out, there will be a link at the end of the video. So go ahead and look at those. You'll probably get a lot of use out of it. I was really surprised at the amount of views that I've gotten just over lawn tractor tires. Anyway, these are 15 by 5 by 6. That's the only size they come in. And they are narrow, like 1 inch more narrow, you can see here. But they work great on the standard rim that comes on the Husqvarnas and other tractors too. So anyway, there you go, guys. I hope you get something out of this. And, these are good tires. They're $86 a pair. So, $43 a piece. I don't think you can get them just one. Why would you want to buy just one? Anyway, they work great for me. Ran them 2 years, and I definitely got my money's worth out of them. So, you be the judge. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys coming back. I'm not going to run a bunch of fluff in my video. That's the reason why this video is so short. I just really wanted to let you guys know that, hey, these tires, number one. So, anyway, take it for what it's worth. Y'all take care. I'll see you later.